All right, yama obibi yakwaba. Enano penso enfamra say Obe network as usual. Mr. Oba, don't forget say Obe subscribe na fe unsu otima share na ode amonya na fonua etimi a share jume deni bi enano pay your exclusive ayabo no. I want some de eba besom ewo Ghana ye class no nyina latest update pop up eba no your some eba na fetima he ama bibia so etimi akoso a chese enye asam kitwa. And don't forget say Asante Kotoko latest update ever pre-season no want some enso edamanima your own some no de eba na Asante Kotoko board area to edi dwumadie bi your own some eba ana fe transfer latest update no your own some eba na fe nyina no yetima hwe ama bibia so ede enso etima ko tade to na yetimi answer so be me first story. Mami fantu jam fama say abrante fe ne samba wo no and se me no ka say issues so a pop up between Asante Kotoko and afi abrante fe ne samba wo no ni nya no efa boy ni take it won sensem se mewie na me pese me ko back to Congo enti muntwa me take it enfa ne enko enti na ehwan edin edema Asante Kotoko fo na se na ehon sem kana edin se Asante Kotoko fo mpen fo beji atum na omoto take it no edema branch FN se samba wo no afen agent eba bonten and I said agents of samba wo no enso eba bonten ebedi nkomo bebre efa samba issues no ho but asat now no mama fatu jam fam say good news e say a branch FN se samba wo no enra ebo be 3 p.m. ana samba wo no ekodure asundwemu ama se amero ka said officially actually di samba wo no enye pay bio enfama Asante Kotoko. But after that no na me looking for elsewhere say I say ewiase no ye wo dachi asebinti no oya bibia na why careful fine Asante Kotoko side ankoye samba wo na side enso ntimi ankoye IMC no na omuni ho bio bacho tie mi o na IMC no omuni ho bio. That is why na the agency no in an interview omo edin komo say omo pelesi koda koma na penkra se na penkra enfa because na fa minimum sama na penkra betimaka what I say minimum sama na penkra ebetimaka. So the decision yana general Asante Kotoko new board no so to do that take it for samba wo no because contract termination say meba mucha but me sure pass Asante Kotoko board and so be disappointed. Say ebia samba live you know one corner on the right way. What I say one corner on the right way. Ejebe be Asante Kotoko for paying for and so etime diaw. Tisa mansam na de nyame ayadom o ma prepare kire di. O mo nkasa agency na twa ticket na mo se sama kwa koduru. And 3 p.m. as she samba enye player bio enfama Asante Kotoko. Onye captain bio enfama Asante Kotoko say we former captain. Ti yebe send ye bibia ere ensu ebesi akwa ehonum. My second story Asante Kotoko pre-season. Yera to onim say on 18th and Asante Kotoko start omo pre-season no towards Ghana Premier League and so ebaso. Na debi ameka chom say Asante Kotoko recruitment na ekoso. Na recruitment na ekoso coach and recruitment na ma club fan say Asante Kotoko. Asa coach na wo recruitment no wo ya enya de a ebetimi ayre asai Asante Kotoko team no because our terry mu dada woni me de wo ye enti obe recruitment enko ba se coach na oban eba be som no ebia ne nse eba be si fom. No mo me de empire me bo ne se ne place a recruitment no omo eye no omo de omo eba no sa place no se bi enko de atwam no bi o performance a wo da di all club no mu no oba ba double no e wa Asante Kotoko no wache DNT Asante Kotoko e ko fa we de edi abaye DNT a coach we recruitment no e ko fa we de edi abaye now ma the new coach no inside the Emma Messi form and no me empire bo me de me se me bo said this season Asante Kotoko Palace recruitment omo eyo no omo meso aba papa informal club no Nothing you say be season no. You be say sabetem your contract. You be job kwan, you be job kwan sakofa we enso the number. May you show pass season aba bewrami and recruitment Asante Kotoko timu no eye no. Se timu no etime yiro mo Emma mo performance ya me say be season no. You because say go just press kwan ma you sakofa for the head o because afi bia no and say after season bia no you kofa play the mo ba. That means mo ba mo nya de Moba mo nya de but mo class no de mutimi bom homodin de me pick ni say Asante Kotoko board no officially omo communicate e de ma players no wow contract enwuye de onka call no bi patriotiemie wow contract enwuye de onka call no bi ana masasem like wow contract ewu ma me use awed no wow contract ewu no onka call no bi na mo contract enwu ya muda so ni Asante Kotoko club no enso ewo ne e kan se eye me patcho contract no the men picking us officially and pay for the two monum say latest by 15th of July what you feel kra unya report yourself no latest by 15th of July as a reporter camp we official communication and I no kasa Asante Kotoko e dey come mu place and omoda so omo contractor omo be share season ase say on the 15th e dey kwasa wo tena fie so bibia on the 14th of July e say uwe yobi bia e say uwe yobi bia and me happy pass e we season ya sporty Asante Kotoko place omo kasa eye individual training session. There's some Ghana Premier class boys in the almost to come up and personal training and me happy. My chances Imano Kote, my chances I Patrick Esedu, my chances Imano Entry, my chances a branch of furnace I praise Badu. You could call us Opiano and make it so some Otifian on Tenafia. It's all be on the 14th, 15th, I saw reporter camp. Now on the 18th, pre-season at the answer to master T. Deme picking say Asante Kotoko pre-season and come on make D and report I dem say on the near can say 18th for most pre-season e be start Kumasi a. E be start Kumasi and you say on the 18th no na mo so e dey akọ. Asate na me no ka say nipa me ni team komo kire me say omo nya Faranse eye biaye kura omo akọ for omo pre-season no. Final decision enya mai but Asate na on be start no Kumasi with Jim to me the Jim no on be din dade na omo be di arin dade na Kumasi ya na after that no omo final decision to go outside Kumasi no omo akoto because last season we some Cape Coast ekoto so dey ekoyo pre-season enso eho and this is information about enano pay efa Asante Kotoko pre-season ho a yaboni deja taw e de amamo 15th report 18th ye chance ye Kumasi ye after that e be decide na afie ye hu omunya decide because nipa ne say omunya appoint new coach no nipa ne say de antia omunya take omo final decision so omo move from Kumasi no ene say new coach no arrive ana ye de enya possible enunti anama sese am no kasa no sa decision MI na Blasters agent kono ene and idea abebo pa ne say ye Blasters no sabi against Colombia de ye betima fa entuma pa de enso etimefra ye betima fa entuma pa de enso etimefra because e be difficult pass e be wie na bia ye so de enso etimefrim Colombia found the ball the omu nimpo untimi nkan anyi omu ye de enso enfemfrim untimi nkan anyi Colombia na ye de enfemfrim and there's a lot of prophecies I would do ekoso say dia e be wie na de Colombia chere de aka form hallelujah but a football bibia timisi ene ase chena homachi bibia timisi 130 bibia timisi
many will say
yeah
part of the supporters about Ghana
Omo ko you know.
You see ebimu
they were on the ticket of the government.
Yeah.
Omakwaba biduga.
You see group stages no na yeah bibia ma omo.
The thing is, on say Jamefe commission. Na e wo mu loud and clear say ye call major tournament bia e ma obi amfane san ko kan the consolidated fund da ho. Ghana sika ye de bo o man ho bra. Na emom ye mpe kwan so e be fa so e be resist ka. Ye betimi de supporters aye dey. Ako.
Yeah.
It is now so share before this World Cup no. Now government engages several corporate entities. And then the man Stone Boy crab share bo.
Yeah.
Say or discuss at Wale so share bo so discuss account. Then Ibrahim Mahama, money other people. Your madrin so mo discuss attach it. No matimi aboa. No mo dey cater for some expenses that are attached to it.
Yeah.
And provide tickets. So, in the sense of getting supporters to watch the game and providing tickets, the first thing I'll be saying is tickets now providing in your phone call for audio to go any pay. Definitely, there are Ghanaian supporters in the diaspora. Tournament to be a member pay and Amako Bibiano or Mokwa, you can't rule them out. So, watch a ticket.
Okay.
It's no matter the supporters have from a free room, I said, you're more to Kwakono or more diaspora. I was about one way or the other. Ibimunya ticket. Now, one way or the other, Ibimunya ticket in this one, it is the mode of coin faso channel, maybe will be issue or so had the enemy so more coin de mao. It obia or less than so. And I'm a boy. Nipa 200 a full plane. 200 a full plane. Yeah, obia ticket, Nipa 200, you say 200 there, Udini Joe ticket. Ebo Kamo hotel room or crane the idea.
The Abremo.
Yeah, the Abremo. And I'm not a bus anymore. I'm free hotel ho. Echo game no. Near to tell bus in my day. But in this case, we are not physical or hard copy when it comes to the ticket. This time around, FIFA ticket they go have board a digital. It is a number of phone. So it's now cost you the phone each rate. I don't know so pepe.
Na edoko. So email him out.
Email him out. A confirming be amount. It would do a ticket in any hard copy say a crown sem. Now they are kwakura baby. So sharing it for people and couple. Omuni edu omo kono. And only a problem because we be a details here day. Now the issue in ask me for more. Now before I be kono, scan no team raise $7 million. $7 million. Let me say I can be 1.5 was 2 million. After 3 games now I bono.
The minister so more use 5 million.
Me no, yes, into aka 2 million.
Yeah.
Ana, omo share ball chire no so fan ye dey.
No more train there. Walk up here.
Omo train there say on na share ball. I sorry them a we share ball say na be ball for the on fan my akukukuru na.
Tournament yi ball na be share ball no fi e call.
There be na akokechire ne ko na akoye ne dey.
Oh, there be inside enye. No bo share sade.
Oh, wakechire ne ko na akoye.
Ba bo na me kwase oni abotre mo ifo.
Bo share no kwa nipa watwa akese krampo mu Ibrahim Mahama.
The man for Baji fans, Anna.
It mean no, sir. Abaya kase omo mo ho ne mra me ni omo ya adwen. Because Canada be so 3 games group stage.
Now tickets are easy.
What you say? So if you are thinking the government should go to the next one and also think about buying ticket for supporters now.
No muntibi.
Debbie. So the
tickets Baku 140 million. 120
million. But
say
Ghanaian supporters omo ko nyina yam almost a pence of $1,000 each. Obi a ko obi bia as a Ghanaian supporter on the ticket of the government. Yam an $1,000.
Wow.
Ana hostel no matter we. Ana maka just 3 games they say aboy and it's also expensive, especially carrying supporters from one place to another. Now Kerry Philadelphia ni say you know. Only omo ko cancer so.
Manzo be bo ho ka.
Na government ne so dey sunu. Momra. E ho ne de me de me amete akomi agemfi.
Ono me adwen.
Ne omo ya adwen. Na emum ba bia issue ni woni nie. Tickets that will be provided for supporters to go and watch the games. Now scanner san. Aka 2 million. So 2 million ye rekoto tickets ama diaspora for na. Amama ka kohwe game no. Na o take statement na minister na the Ministry of Sports the Babonten na omo kire say omo chichema supporters groups omo chichema various groups omo wo abocho ban komo ayeso ya didi wa kire ne say omo kwa party diaspora party members ne ade no omo mpene
People are even taking the tickets and they are reselling it. Among for the tickets, group stages, there were a lot of cases.
That's a ticket no more.
Gentle's way. Asante Kotoko transfers. Dietini. Kofi Tompo unsem na me da brother me pese me ko. Eno me Kofi Tompo latest update edi mamu. Say my culture say Asante Kotoko we are ready to do business with Bechem United. And my back culture said there is an office be outside there. Then see Kofi Tompo there and why didn't Asante Kotoko no. Because Bechem for no prefer say no boy o metima sankwan e wono. Enti price Asante Kotoko e de koye na price Bechem for airborne. And I'm an intermediary almost the same look as I did. But me pese me ko bio. Samba wo na eko. Why anasisi oba be the replacement adama samba wo na. Makacho say Asante Kotoko from paying for air willing to do business with Boboku a ye friend say Ediana Stars. And Ediana Stars also air willing so amone Boboku e friend say Asante Kotoko e betima business. I can confirm it to you say the new coach why recruitment Edema Asante Kotoko no. A branch e friend say Alex Boakye. So obetimi a convince player I'm a player etimi ajo office atumu pa Tdogli ne club osina kan a otimi the family ni so ema nema ire enso etimi eyeye ena no per confidence me confirm dem am say nipa na we recruitment edema ayeboboku efe ne Asante Kotoko no was so tell say a branch efe ne Alex Boakye as the right replacement edema samba winner. Bebe catch us a Razak some say enye because nations for no are ready to do business outside. Now nipa no do dem amini. Wa confirm dem am say when you call any free Asante Kotoko from paying for camp. To do inquiries about a branch of friend say Alex Boakye. As now club to club enya done. Club to player enya done. Now, club to family there, I can confirm it to you, say, I must start use the family of Alex Boakye to convince Oma branch and say, Oma pese Alex Boakye, but see I can't anymore. But as start now there, my culture say club to club and you confirm, player to club and you confirm. Obi no offer phone after Alex Boakye for now. And they are picking this camp of Alex Boakye, which is the family, no. And they are 20 panel pressing call on company say, no, boy, and I willing to work with Asante Kotoko. And for now, no, final decision agent Asante Kotoko so. Final decision, no, agent Asante Kotoko team so. And you don't make my piano, omu family, the omu willing. Say, Oma brother, no, ever be see I can't Edema Asante Kotoko. No moment, dear me picking say Ediana Stars asking price for Alex Boakye no Kotoko for air kwa amuso mukina. The asking price for a branch of friend say Alex Boakye from Ediana Stars no. Say Asante Kotoko from paying for etemenka. Na really no my no so me Alex Boakye no. Mr. So omo air kwa. Omo kiso so omo sika omo be double no. On make his own music, on mobile job. A branch of friends say Tdogli. The Becano wants somebody to show. Say Asante Kotoko ready to do business. Oh, confessing him. Open the pub aqua. Or move say DM one. On bet me here the part a branch of friends say Tdogli. And play when I could carry him to a feeling bruta. Now coach Karim is to a Philibo papa just to be so on can cray. But no pay. Nipa warrior Juma for a branch of friend say Tdogli. I can confirm it to you, say. Or person the boy no echo on it. And as a person the boy echo outside. The Beccato no way listen no now Asante Kotoko fire no. Now boy a part. But I don't pay the agent at the man branch of friend say Tdogli. Opusu ahomano udin 18 koma. Oya na so be ma answer benedimina no ema mi hu se enu anwumre no apanyi no onye na adwene se bia boy no enumanimu ya no apeso se kan wo league ni mu apesa boy no ekwa outside se entimi anya ye dia then this is the boy no betos all league latest update our branch fence Tdogli ana me dia mamo no the club bia mu chase Tdogli no se sia na no pay ya me confirm them as omo pay outside move area man no se mo be na ntam dia ni nyina be gina mo so na fi etima ba ma bibia dey enso etimi akoso yemfancy on say Rudolph Mensah maka no wasa matchroom Tdogli no asewo meche South Africa am fantwa to ma Tdogli to South Africa club bia ni mu odupa NP boy no ana agent no so start eye ne ho adwuma e de ma sa club no e was South Africa enti Tdogli to Asante Kotoko no elo eba fem it's my ado so there e da ho no pampe. Don't forget to subscribe and if you unso ati ma share.